Introduction of the new Mustang Ice White Edition appearance package for both Mustang Coupe. This marks the first time in 28 years Ford is offering a white-on-white Mustang and the first time ever for the Coupe. Reminiscent of the 1993 triple white Fox body feature Mustang, the 2022 Mustang Coupe Ice White Edition gives customers the option to add even more head-turning style to the world's best-selling sports car one. Available on Mustang EcoBoost and GT Premium Fastback models, for the Mustang Mach-E, this package will be available with the premium trim exclusively and wears a star white metallic exterior color. Exterior trim also ditches dark colors in favor of white accents, comes with Oxford white pony badges and fender badging, plus heritage-inspired 19 by 9-inch wheels in matching Oxford white with machine-surfaced pockets. The Mustang Ice White Edition comes lacquered exclusively in Oxford white and features unique iced-out tail lamps. Just like on the Ice White Edition Mustang Mach-E. The black and white interior features Oxford white leather seat inserts front and rear, plus Oxford white leather door panels. An aluminum applique on the dash and white accent stitching on the center console, door panels, shifter boot, headrests and more add to the cool cabin environment. Ice White Edition appearance package equipped Mustang EcoBoost and Mustang GT Premium Coupes arrive at dealers in early 2022.